Bienvenidos al canal DIY Honda Garage. This presentation addresses DTC P2101, indicating an electronic throttle control system malfunction in Honda CR-V 2023 and newer models. This error arises when there is a significant difference between the actual and target position of the throttle valve, prompting the powertrain control module, or PCM, to store this diagnostic trouble code. The throttle body is a crucial component of the vehicle's air intake system, responsible for controlling the amount of air entering the engine. It works in conjunction with the accelerator pedal position, or APP, sensor, which informs the PCM of the pedal's position, allowing for optimal air-fuel mixture and engine performance. The PCM is the brain of the vehicle's engine management system and processes signals from various components, executing necessary adjustments. Given the importance of these components, proper troubleshooting is essential to ensure vehicle safety and performance. The DTC P2101 indicates a malfunction within the electronic throttle control system, specifically related to the throttle valve positioning. The throttle body, which is located in the intake manifold, plays a crucial role in regulating the air inflow into the engine based on accelerator pedal input. The PCM, or powertrain control module, continually monitors the difference between the actual position of the throttle valve and the desired position as indicated by the APP sensor. If a significant discrepancy is detected, the PCM triggers this diagnostic trouble code to signal that the throttle control system is not functioning correctly. Understanding both the throttle bodies and PCM's roles is essential for precise diagnosis and repair. Always exercise caution when working around the throttle body, as improper handling can lead to serious injuries due to unexpected valve activation. There are several potential causes for DTC P2101 that warrant thorough inspection. Firstly, a malfunction in the throttle body itself can impede proper operation, potentially due to clogging, dust, or foreign objects interfering with the throttle valve's movement. Secondly, issues with the accelerator pedal position, APP, sensor can also contribute to the error. This sensor monitors how far you press the accelerator pedal and communicates that to the PCM. Additionally, wiring problems, such as open circuits in the control wires, MTR1 or MTR2, that connect these components, can lead to an erroneous reading and trigger the DTC. Each of these issues could compromise the performance and functionality of the throttle control, making accurate diagnosis essential to rectify the situation effectively. When DTC P2101 is present, several symptoms may arise, indicating a malfunction within the electronic throttle control system. One common symptom is a poor acceleration response, as the throttle body cannot properly regulate air intake, affecting engine performance. Additionally, the vehicle may experience an illuminated check engine light, alerting the driver to an issue that requires attention. Furthermore, stalling or rough idling may also occur due to insufficient air-fuel mixture management. These symptoms can not only affect smooth vehicle operation, but also contribute to potentially hazardous driving conditions. Properly identifying these symptoms aids technicians in pinpointing the root cause of the issue, ensuring effective repairs are made promptly. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P2101 involves turning the vehicle ignition to the on position, which provides power to the vehicle's electrical systems without starting the engine. Following this, you will utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to perform the Electronic Throttle Control System, ETCS test. This test will assess the functionality of the throttle body and its components to determine if they are operating correctly. It's crucial to ensure all safety protocols are followed, particularly since the throttle body can engage unexpectedly. Proper understanding of the HDS and how to interpret the results will guide further troubleshooting steps if necessary. This foundational step is critical to pinpoint if the issue is a direct fault of the throttle body or associated components. The second troubleshooting step requires you to start the engine after completing the initial diagnosis. It is important to test drive the vehicle under the same conditions that recorded the onboard snapshot of DTC P2101. During this test drive, you must monitor parameters such as engine speed, vehicle speed, and the readings from the APP sensor. By observing these values, you can ascertain whether the throttle body behaves as expected under real driving conditions. If abnormalities are noted, it further supports the presence of a malfunction within the electronic throttle control system. Accurate documentation of these measurements is important for further analysis and potential corrective actions. Next, it is essential to inspect the throttle body as it could be obstructed or malfunctioning. Begin by cleaning the throttle body, as buildups of dirt, dust, or carbon deposits can hinder its operation and lead to the DTC being triggered. During inspection, pay close attention to foreign material that may obstruct the throttle valve's movement. If, after cleaning, DTC P2101 persists, further diagnosis is necessary. This step helps to ensure the throttle body is functioning correctly and eliminates one potential cause of the problem. It contributes directly to returning the vehicle to normal performance by addressing a common issue related to throttle body operation. In this troubleshooting step, you will focus on the throttle body connector, ensuring it is disconnected before proceeding with the inspection. It is crucial to check the male terminals of the throttle body connector for any signs of damage or corrosion, as these can disrupt the electrical signal flow necessary for proper throttle control. Next, you will perform an internal circuit inspection of the throttle body to ensure the readings fall within normal conditions, typically less than 1.0 kiloohms when the throttle is off. Any measurement outside of this range indicates a faulty throttle body, necessitating repair or replacement. Documenting these findings will provide concrete evidence for any necessary next steps in the diagnostic process. In this final troubleshooting step, you will check for open wires in the MTR1 and MTR2 circuits by inspecting the throttle body and PCM connectors. The MTR1 and MTR2 refer to specific control wires that transmit signals between the throttle body and the PCM. With both connectors disconnected, perform a continuity test to ensure that there is less than 1 ohm resistance on both wires when the ignition is in the off position. Abnormal resistance readings indicate potential wiring issues that may need further investigation or repair. This meticulous approach ensures that electrical connections essential for throttle control are intact, preventing intermittent failures that could result in DTC P2101. If previous inspections confirm that components like the throttle body and wiring are functioning correctly, you may have to examine the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. The PCM is crucial as it processes all data from various sensors and controls the engine performance accordingly. If the inspection shows no abnormalities in the throttle body or APP sensor, this could indicate the PCM as the root cause of the DTC P2101. Typically, this determination is made once all other components pass inspection. If necessary, replacing the PCM may resolve the issue. It is crucial to ensure the replacement unit is compatible with the vehicle to ensure effective operation. After completing all repairs and replacements related to DTC P2101, it is vital to perform a final verification to ensure everything has been properly addressed. Begin by verifying the integrity of all installations, ensuring that all connectors are reattached securely and that no loose wires or damaged components are present. Next, use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the DTC from the memory. After clearing the code, it is essential to retest the vehicle under the same conditions that previously highlighted the issue. Monitoring the vehicle's performance following clearing the DTC will confirm whether the repairs were successful in resolving the problem. A successful verification will prevent recurring issues and ensure safe vehicle operation. To avoid encountering DTC P2101 in the future, implementing preventive maintenance practices is essential. Regular cleaning of the throttle body contributes significantly to maintaining optimal airflow and engine performance. It is advantageous to schedule this maintenance during routine servicing. Additionally, checking all electrical connectors regularly will help identify early signs of corrosion or wear, preventing future faults in the throttle control system. Ensuring the correct operation of the APP sensor and wiring will also enhance vehicle reliability. These preventative measures will ensure your Honda CR-V continues to perform efficiently and safely, reducing unplanned repairs and extending component life. In conclusion, addressing DTC P2101 involves understanding the critical components of the electronic throttle control system, including the throttle body, PCM, and the APP sensor. By closely following the specified diagnostic steps outlined in this guide, technicians can methodically identify the source of the issue and implement necessary repairs. Regular maintenance and inspections are equally vital to avoid similar DTC occurrences in the future. Being proactive, such as regular throttle body cleaning and checking electrical connections, will not only enhance vehicle performance, but also improve safety. Understanding these crucial aspects equips technicians to handle DTC P2101 effectively while ensuring the Honda CR-V remains in peak operating condition. Dale like y suscríbete al canal. Hasta la próxima.